Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel.
Hi.
I'm Lauri.
I'm Hanna.
And here is our Cubenator 5 million. And we are going to use this magnificent invention to turn hamburger into hamcuber. Hamcuber is a hamburger turned into cube, if you didn't know. But now you know. And this is amazing innovation, but I'm not totally sure how well it's going to work. So we are going to test it out with reference material, which is
Skittles.
Skittles. Those are much easier to cubify than hamburgers. So let's go. Okay, Skittles are in, and now this goes down. And this is pretty small, so I think we don't need that much force. Maybe 30 tons. I'm pretty sure that the tool... Okay, that's already quite much. Okay, and it doesn't come up, but no worries. If it doesn't come up, it's completely fine. Just think about things.
Don't panic.
Don't panic. It usually works, so I'm going to just open everything and we get the cube out. Okay, first I pop these open. And while we are opening this, I can tell that this was totally pain in the ass to machine. I didn't make any drawings about this. I just started to make it. The clever guide mechanism that keeps everything centered, I had to do that twice, and then I had to do the bottom part twice. So it took like 2 days to make this, so let's hope that it works. So these long bolts keep sides together, and then there is 4 more bolts on the bottom. You can, Hanna, lift this up.
Okay.
Then you are going to reveal the cube. Holy shit, it works! What the hell? It actually works. How is this even possible? Well worth of 2 days of work. It's the world first and only Skittles cube. But I think we have to keep this for dessert.
Yeah, because
Now-
we have the main course.
Now let's bolt this back together. You can put it somewhere. There is some small amount of Skittles on the middle. That's going to be good seasoning for our Big Mac. And this is not sponsored by McDonald's, and I'm pretty sure that they don't want anything to do with this video.
Or us in general.
Yeah, everything is super heavy, super sharp, and super badly made. This is by far the most complicated hydraulic press channel tool ever. And I have to say that I'm really pleased on the tool. It just works, and even better than it works is how it looks. It looks so goddamn cool. I think it's going to be really good on the thumbnail, and I just like it. It's like flat machined surfaces and sharp corners. It's just I like the look for some reason. And if you like the look also, go check out our CNC machined dies. We have our own web shop down in description, and we have multiple materials. Steels, aluminium, magnesium, zirconium, titanium, copper, and yes, we have also tungsten. It's probably not most usable dies because it's really heavy, and as I said, I like sharp corners, so these are sharp with sharp corners. They are more meant to be good looking dies than the most usable dies, but if you just want something that looks absolutely amazing, go check out our dice set. It's also the best way to support the channel. And now let's see that hamburger. Okay, then the main event of the day. And as you probably guess, the hamburger doesn't exactly go there. So we have to pre-cubify it slightly. I think that the hamburger can't be too wet to be cubified. So this doesn't have any sauce in
Mayonnaise or
sauce.
ketchup or anything else.
This is if you visit Finnish food factory where they make classics like liver box. It looks pretty much like this.
Yeah.
Actually now this is hamburger box. Okay, it's ready when we see some leakage here.
Ah! Okay.
Yeah, this is the same thing as the microwave when it makes the ping. You know that the food is ready. And then, not like on the microwave, we have to use some power tools to get our food out. So this is the perfect way. We are getting better at this. Because now when I open these, this comes out. And we are presented with the ham cuber. Oh my god! It kind of worked!
I think it did. Awesomeness.
Ooh, it's dense.
Wow.
It's a dense burger. Ham cuber. Pardon me.
Hamburger.
Okay, are you ready?
Okay. How is it?
It tastes like hamburger, but it's quite hard to eat. It's like
Is it like dry?
it's dry because we didn't have the mayonnaise, and it's really dense because it's crushed.
Okay.
I'm afraid that this is not good innovation.
Okay.
I think hamburger is probably better product than ham cuber.
Okay.
But no worries, we are going to test Chicken McNuggets next.
Yeah, that might. Yeah.
It's just really hard to eat hamburger. But hey, actually, this is good innovation because ultra-processed food is too fast to eat and you can eat too much before you get like fulfilled. But with this, it takes like 15 minutes to eat one hamburger. So you have time to like feel satisfied.
Yeah, so this is diet ham cuber.
Yeah, diet ham cuber, world first. Then we are going to cubify Chicken McNuggets. This is actually my first time ever when I buy this exact product. I think I have to try this so I can compare with the original and cubified.
Yeah.
I have to say that this is not my favorite product. I think that's good amount. The hamburger was a bit too much. It was like not complete cube. Then we are going to cubify it. That's ready. Uh-oh. My strategy was to open half of the bottom things. Everything is covered on chicken juice. Actually, I think that's like just
Water.
not water, the grease that they use to deep fry it. Okay, grand reveal. This is like gender reveal.
Yeah.
It's a chicken McNugget.
Wow.
Okay, I think
I don't want to touch it.
I think we would need better seal for this type of thing. Because it starts to leak too soon. I think the Skittles were the best. Yeah, it's just like slightly cubified.
Try though.
I think we something is like yeah, I think I don't want to keep doing this. And as promised, we are going to taste this. Tastes like Skittles. I think I don't want to eat this. But if you have good ideas what we should cubify, or should not, please let us know. And that is all for today.
Thank you for watching.
And have a nice day.